Hello, this is your phonics lesson this week, boys. We're going to start our lesson by going over some sounds that we know. After we go over these sounds that we know, we'll do our sound of the week. So let's have a look here. Can you say the sound? Oh, what sound? B. What sound? K, the kicking k. Well done. What sound? What sound? T. What sound? What sound? What sound? Oh. What sound? Oh. And last one. What sound? Good job. Now, this is our sound this week. Our new sound this week is j. Can you say it? J. Very good. Now, let's put on our listening ears and let's listen to our j song. The action you're going to do is you're going to pretend to wobble like jelly on a plate, saying j. Can you practice for me? J. Well done, wobbling like jelly on a plate. Let's go and do your action with the song. Okay, let's listen to our next one. Good job. Okay, the next thing we're going to listen to is going to be the story. In school, we normally put both of our arms up in the air each time we hear our sound of the week. Today, I'm going to ask you to do something new. I'm going to ask you to put one finger on your nose each time you hear the j sound. Can you practice for me putting one finger on your nose? Each time you hear the j sound, you'll put one finger on your nose. So you need to get your listening ears ready. Let's go.
Jane loves jelly. Her mother has promised to make her some this afternoon. When Jane gets home from school, she has a slice of bread and jam and a glass of juice. She tells her mother that she and her friend Javinda have made a giant jigsaw of a chocolate. Then her mother shows Jane the jelly she has made. Wow, says Jane. It is tall, red, and has 4 layers. As she carries it to the table, it wobbles and wobbles. Jane tends to wobble just like it and says, jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate, jelly on the plate.
Did you touch your nose each time you heard the j sound? Can you turn to the person beside you and tell them 3 words with the j sound that you heard in that story? Press pause if you need to. Now let's look at the picture you see in front of you. I want you to look around this picture and find 3 things that have the j sound in them. 3 things that have j in the word. Press pause if you need to. Let's look. I see a jacket. I see jam. I see juice. I see a jug. And I see jelly. Did anybody see some of those? Well done, let's move on. Let's do some blending now. Let's look at the word inside this box. We're going to sound it out to help us read it. Let's go. Do the first one with me. J, our sound of the week. J, a, b. Job. Job. Can you sound it out for me now? Job, well done. Next word is a nice long one. First of all, can you find the j sound in your word? Can you point to it? Good job. Let's sound it out together. Say it with me. Object. 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 Good. Next word is a lovely long word again. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters in it. And I can see our curly cup and our kicking cup are in it in the middle. Let's sound it out together. Are you ready? Jacket. 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 Next word. This is a shorter word. Let's try sound it out. You try first. Did you get jam? Jam. Jam. Next word, sound it out. Just. 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 Next word. You're going to try this all by yourself. Get ready. Did you get jet? Jet. If you did, well done. Next word, all by yourself. Let's go. Jog. Next word, let's sound it out together. Jump. Jump. Well done. And our last word, I can see here we have our sound that we did last week, our A sound. So we have our new sound this week and the sound that we did last week. Get ready and let's sound it out. Jail. Jail. Good job. Let's quickly go over some flashcards of sounds that we know. You ready? What sound? 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 And last one, what sound? Good job. Now let's finish up. Our sound today is J. Let's finish listening to our song.